I'm Colleen Graves and I work for Makey Makey. I want to invite you to our Pathfinders Summer Institute course, Invention Literacy with Makey Makey and Scrappy Circuits. In this 5-day virtual workshop, we're blending our normally in-person dynamic workshop, mashed up with all our online resources and then some fresh ideas from Mike Carroll of Scrappy Circuits. In a nutshell, you will fully explore the world of Makey Makey and invention literacy and know how to take your students beyond the banana piano. During the workshop, we will delve into our creative computing kit, and you will begin to view the world as reformable in your journey to becoming invention literate. Makey Makey works by using everyday stuff to control your computer. And we're going to look at how you can effectively teach with tools like Makey Makey and Cardboard and Maker activities that you can effectively teach STEM from a distance. You'll mash up literacy and technology by building interactive posters, creating expressive art, making alarms with office supplies, hacking toys, and even mashing up math concepts with cardboard and everyday stuff to bring your students to a whole new level of design and creative computing. You'll learn how to teach your students to build and design alternative game controllers. We'll help you focus on social emotional learning and see how you can use Makey Makey as an assistive technology device and build empathy in your students. And by the end of this course, you'll be a master of our 21st century invention kit. You'll really have time to delve, explore, and code your own invention. This is a great course for grades 4th and up, and teachers who have never used Makey Makey or people who just want new ideas for inventing. So sign up for our Pathfinders Summer Institute, Invention Literacy with Makey Makey and Scrappy Circuits. Can't wait to see you there.